Everyone is talking about AI agents. But what exactly is an agent? Let's discuss in a very simple way. A normal language model like ChatGPT just answers. It predicts the next possible word based on patterns it has learned. But an AI agent is different. It can actually take actions. It thinks, decides what needs to be done, picks a tool, and then executes a step. Imagine you created a simple assistant with only two abilities. Tool 1, it fetches an employee's salary from the database. Tool 2 calculates gratuity using a Python function. These are the only tools available to the agent. Now, let's say you ask a normal language model to calculate gratuity for any employee, say Saurav. The generic model, though, cannot access your database, so it would just explain the formula and give a theoretical answer. On the other hand, an agent behaves differently. It detects that the task needs real data. It calls tool 1, gets the salary and year of services, then call tool 2 to compute the gratuity, and finally gives you the exact answer. And that's all what an agent is.